how to create custom feed in Reddit. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Reddit on your device and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, in the left side toolbar, you will see the Custom Feed tab. Tap on the Create a Custom Feed option you see there. Further, in the pop-up that appears, enter your name and description. Also, if you want your custom feed private, then toggle on the Private Toggle button, and if you want to show your custom feed on your profile, then toggle on the Show on Your Profile toggle button, and finally tap on the Submit button, and with this, your custom feed will be created. So this is how you can create custom feed in Reddit. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.